Hello, welcome to the New Orleans Dental Implant website. My name is Dr. Glenn Schmidt. Before you start viewing the site, here are 7 questions you need to ask your implant doctor. Number 1, doctor, how many implants a month do you place? If he says 4 or 5 a month, that's not many. We typically do 4 to 7 implants in a day sometimes. You want an implant doctor that has a lot of experience in placing implants, just like you want that airplane pilot that has lots and lots of experience flying. You want someone who knows what to do in case something goes wrong. There is no substitute for experience. We have placed thousands of implants and have been practicing for 32 years. Second question, doctor, do I have enough bone for an implant? The success or failure of an implant is directly correlated to how much bone surrounds the implant. If you do not have enough bone, a procedure called a bone graft can be done to give you adequate bone. You may need vertical and/or horizontal bone grafting. A thorough analysis of how much bone you have versus how much you need is important. The analysis of how much bone is present is done by the use of a special X-ray called a cone beam. So that brings us to question number 3. Doctor, do you have a cone beam in your office? Not all doctors have a cone beam unit in their office. It is a very expensive piece of equipment, and not all doctors can afford one. A cone beam tells the doctor how much bone is present and if bone grafting is needed. It is similar to the hospital CAT scan. This is important because the doctor needs to know where your nerves are located. If he makes a mistake and hits your nerve, you will have nerve damage and permanent paresthesia. Knowing the locations of your nerves and your sinus cavities are important, so proper placement of implants can be performed. We have a cone beam in our office and have had one for many years now, and I never do an implant without getting a cone beam. You won't have to go elsewhere to get a cone beam. So the 4th question is, doctor, have you ever had an implant fail? Now this is important because if he says no, he doesn't do too many implants. If a doctor does a lot of implants, they're going to have some failures. It happens. It happens to all doctors that do lots of implants. The reason implants fail are many, ranging from sometimes the medicine you're taking to your lack of patient hygiene, or to sometimes it's the doctor's fault. So knowing what to do if an implant fails is important, as reimplantation can be performed, but you don't want the procedure to fail again. We have had some implants fail, but we have successfully replaced them. Knowing what to do and how is very important. So that brings us to question number 5. Doctor, do you guarantee your work? What happens if an implant fails? Will you have to pay more money? In our office, if an implant fails, we gladly redo it. The only condition being that you have had regular checkups and maintenance. Obviously, if you don't brush and floss and perform daily hygiene, you're creating the problem. Again, we emphasize to our patients the need for proper hygiene and instruct them. So number 6 then is, how do you take care of implants? 2 words, brush and floss. All we ask is that you get regular hygiene visits to maintain the implants. After all, you wouldn't buy a new car and not get the oil and maintenance checkup, would you? Well, implants do need maintenance, and we give you full instructions on how to take care of the implant at home. So that brings us to the last question, 7. Doctor, will I have to go to another office to get my implant restored? In our office, we place all implants and we do the crowns or bridges or partials or dentures afterwards. Everything is done in our office, including the maintenance. All my patients have my personal cell number, and getting in touch with me is as easy as texting or calling me, even at night and weekends. I hope this introduction has helped you in answering some of your questions. And remember, questions that you need to ask your implant doctor. If you'd like to come into the office, we have a special offer for you. Go to the website and visit freereportdentalimplants.com and receive a complimentary implant consult. Call and schedule today. Again, thanks for visiting my website. We look forward to seeing you soon. To schedule, call 861-9044. Have a great day.